that, you know, chestnuts don't grow good in clay, but they do. You just have to make sure they get established. I have huge red oaks on the property, or I did. I logged them off. Not all of them, but most of them. And they like the same properties as chestnut. Your oak trees and your hard maples and soft maples, they pretty much like the same area. And as long as, you know, you allow them to get established and everything, they should be fine. My leaves are starting to burn a little bit. I'm gonna have to watch, see what's happening. The only fertilizer I put on there was a slow release fertilizer for root growth. And should not be burning the leaves. But they're doing good. Sending out shoots all over the place and a lot of growth. Like they're growing